Hi, I'm going to give a short presentation on RoadMap GPS 360. RoadMap 360 is a 360-degree planning system that not only gives you the look at underlying views of what your patient demographics look like, but also the ability to forecast at a total patient and brand level. This database is simulated patient data for Humira, the largest selling prescription drug in the world, which is used for rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, Crohn's, and colitis. We're going to start our view of the data in the patient analytic mode. Here, you can see a large number of the demographics metrics for the patients: age, BMI, genotype, insurance coverage, and disease. For example, let's pick 4 diseases and see how they vary over the 3 demographic patient groups. Each 3 of these patient groups are divided by patients who came out to therapy in 2012, 13, and 2014. When I bring up this data in the work view, a user can see the percentage of patients with rheumatoid arthritis is the largest group. However, that percentage is trending down from 51 to 49%, while the percentage of patients with psoriatic arthritis is increasing from 23 to 25%. You might decide to see if there is a trend affecting the refill persistency within these patients. Refill persistency is a key metric within this industry for business performance, and it's the percentage of patients who stay on of therapy for 6, 12, or 24 months. Let's look at the same patient groups regarding these refill persistencies. What we see for the 2014 patient group is that 49% of the patients that are on therapy for 6 months declined to 37% after 12 months and 30% after 24 months. This data is consistent over the patient groups, which indicates that the changing mix of patients for Humira has not impacted their refill persistency in a negative manner. Turning to the forecasting capabilities, we switch to our sales analysis view, where we are now looking at the new prescriptions and total prescriptions of Humira for 2018. There is a graph at the top linked to a data grid of the forecast on a monthly level, as well as a summary grid containing the annual totals for the monthly forecasts. Towards the bottom, there is a grid for the historical data, and by clicking on that grid, that will change the graph showing the forecast to showing actuals. Right now, I'm going to increase the forecast for January. Then I'm going to copy that forecast down to all the months. Next, I'll save that forecast and watch the annual totals update, as well as the time date stamp on the forecast. Now I can switch over to the annual forecast and change that as well. And now you can see the annual goal will impact the monthly totals when I choose to goal seek the monthly numbers to meet the annual forecast. Beyond numbers, RoadMap allows you to make general comments about the forecast besides each number and enter information about key marketing events or anything that may have a bearing on the forecast. In this example, there are 2 events, one an AMA conference that's happening in January and a TV advertising campaign in February that may have an impact on the forecast. Additionally, there is a wide range of functionality that can be used to calculate the forecast. There is a full complement of statistical forecasting methods ranging from regression to product life cycle models. There is also an expert system that can pick best models and best methods to predict which methods would fit the data that you are presenting right now. When the forecast is complete, the forecast and the actuals can be extorted together into an Excel worksheet with full pivot table capabilities. The database table can be then transferred to an ERP and MRP system, as well as other business intelligence and visualizations tools. In conclusion, RoadMap 360 provides a complete picture for your business from the patient to the market level. This innovative technology is a precise scope into the future of your business.